Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, we are going to see how to configure the BGP backdoor. We took three routers R1, R2 and R3. You can see the subnets which mentioned on the routers. So here we have two loopback addresses on R2 and R3, one loopback address on R1. Let's start the lab. Just for your information, I want to show you that the IP scheme is already done between R1, R2 and R3. Now the first step is we have to run the BGP on R1 to establish the relationship between R2 and R3, and from R2 to only with R1, and from R3 also with only R1. We will not establish the neighbor relationship between R2 and R3. And also we will advertise the loopback 0 of all routers in the BGP with the network command. So first thing first, let us start with R1 router BGP 100 neighbor 12.1.2 remote AS 200, and similarly we will do for R3. Okay, and then we will advertise the network which is 1.0.0.0. On R1 we finished. Now let's do the BGP configuration on R2. First thing, loopback 0. Good. Then neighbor 1 remote AS 100 exit. Then on R3 router BGP 300 first network or loopback 0. Then neighbor 13.1.1 remote AS 100. The BGP relationship is up now. Now if we do show IP BGP summary, we should get the both routers. Now the next step, we have to run the IGPs. On these two networks we will run the RIP version 2 with no auto summarization, and on this we will run the EIGRP, and we will also advertise over loopback 1 here. R1 router RIP no auto summary version 2, then network first thing 12.1.12.0.0, then we will advertise also other network. So R1 configuration is done. Next we will move to R2, and here we will also run a RIP on the interface facing towards R1 and EIGRP on facing towards R3 on this 23 subnet. For router RIP, first no auto summary version 2, then network 2.0. So network 12.0.0, enter, and now again we will run router EIGRP 100, and we will advertise 23.1.1.2.0, and then again we will advertise here over loopback 1 address which is 10.1.0. Similarly, we will again go on R3, and here we will run the router RIP on interface which is connecting with R1, and router EIGRP 100 on the network which is 23.1.1.0.0, and then network over loopback address which is 10.1.3.3 and 0. So here are the some basic verification commands. So now we will move to the next step. So here we have to advertise the loopback 1 of both routers R2 and R3 in BGP. So first thing, router BGP 200 network and mask 255.255.255.0. Then we will go to R3, and here we will write router BGP 300 network 10.1.3.0 mask 255.255.255. So to configure the BGP backdoor, so we will write router BGP 200 network 10.1.3.0 mask 255.255.255.0, and at the end we will type backdoor. So this is the configuration for the BGP backdoor.